Black pepper, Piper nigrum, native to India's Malabar Coast, has been cultivated for thousands of years. First exported around 2000 BCE to Mesopotamia and Egypt, it was a luxury in the Roman Empire, used as currency or ransom. By the Middle Ages, it drove European spice trade, prompting Vasco da Gama to seek access to Indian markets. The Dutch and British East India Companies controlled the global pepper trade. Ancient civilizations used black pepper for cooking and medicinal purposes. Egyptian pharaohs were buried with peppercorns, and the Greeks and Romans used it for digestive issues and respiratory ailments. In medieval Europe, it was called black gold and used to pay rent and taxes. During the World Wars, disruptions in the spice trade made it rarer. After the wars, better transportation made it accessible. Black pepper has a pungent, earthy, citrusy flavor with smoky or floral notes. It pairs well with salt, garlic, cumin, coriander, and citrus, often combined with turmeric for bioavailability. Freshly ground pepper is most robust, and toasting enhances its complexity. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, black pepper aids digestion and boosts nutrient absorption. It's used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Whole peppercorns are ideal for stocks, cracked for marinades, and ground for everyday cooking. Add at the end of cooking to preserve flavor. Alternatives include white pepper, milder, Sichuan pepper, numbing, and pink peppercorns, sweet. Black pepper is key in spice blends like garam masala, Cajun seasoning, and herbe de Provence.